Alright, got another shipment in today. Thought I'd open it up for a y'all. Alright, let's see what we got and how. Today we have. This is so hard to do one-handed. I already ruined the box top. This is ridiculous. Look at that. I already wrecked it. Son of a... Anyways. I ordered these from Bodega. These are the Adidas ZX 2K Boost. And they are pretty fire. Look at that. Little 3M hits along the heel. And the laces, I mean, these are sick. I don't really mess with Adidas all that much, except for soccer apparel and cleats and shoes, but these might be some of my favorite all-time pairs of Adidas sneakers. Hopefully they'll be super comfy. I'm really digging these that I got. These Life Aquatic. Also ZX model, but I don't think they're not 2K Boost like these. These are some other ZX torsion model. But yeah. I love the colorway. Super clean. And like the teal. Red Adidas trefoil logo. Little tan midsole there, white reflective hits. This shoe, man, some low heat right here. Digging them.